Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have 3 of these tracks, one on either side and one down at the bottom. And the handle slides into it. But down there at the bottom, I have to guide it in because it's old and it's wrinkled up, probably been bent many times. And I found a way to get it out of there by using a piece of angle iron and a clamp to fasten it in place. And that gives me something to stiffen up the panel so I can tap it down in without wrinkling it. I have to be careful because if I drop this down in there, I got to take the panel back out to get it out of there. So I'm not going to leave anything laying on the top that isn't big enough I can reach down and grab it out of there. Oh, I see what's happened. That bottom piece is curled the wrong way. There we go. Got to be observant. That's got it. I think this will. I think this setup just like this will be good for now until I determine what I want to do. I can direct the flow of the fan around and we'll just see what happens. Now sometime in the summer when the weather's a little warmer, I can paint this. Some high temperature paint. That should make it a little more presentable. Gotta stick a shim underneath there. I set it up on boards because the floor was wet. Without the roof on the building, I had this under a tarp, but there was water on the floor and the condensation was a problem. And I didn't want to have iron rust spots on the floor. Now I've got a few, but nowhere near what I would have had if I left those iron legs sitting on the floor. Okay. Well, now the top's on. I have to get ready and do the wiring on the back, but before I can do that, I got a lot of cleanup to do. I gotta get everything off of this saw. And all that wood's gotta go in a wood box because it's gonna go through the furnace. Grampy has a problem burning scrap wood. I have no problem at all. I'm looking for scrap wood. I'm generating scrap wood as I go, just with the idea that I'm gonna put it into the furnace. But for right now, the goal is to clean up. So I'm going to shut the camera off. Everybody's seen cleaning. Nobody needs to see it again.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.